So where did January go? I blinked, I missed it. No, I didn't miss it at all. In fact, I have been really focused on creating I'm going to go with fantastic 2018. And I'm really excited about all of the new changes that are occurring. This has been deliberate for me. I am changing it up and I'm excited and completely out of my comfort zone, and that's okay. So February is looking really great. But before I get into February, which some of those details are below, I just want to share with you just the thrill I had in presenting the workshop with Do Dance Academy in January. It was just lovely to watch the team go from a space of not disconnection, but a space of feeling like they had to do it all for themselves, to this amazing collaboration and being able to work together and understanding each other on a much deeper level. It just thrilled me. It was awesome. And I can't wait to do another one. So that was the beginning of January. I've been stepping out and out of my comfort zone for the rest of January, and I have a sneaky suspicion that 2018 is just going to keep on being that. So February, I will be, the main one will be speaking at Women's Network Australia at North Lakes on the 22nd of Feb. Details are below if you'd like to come along. There are plenty of seats, although I do know that some people have already started booking in, so yay for that. I'll be out and about networking this month, and my other thing that I've absolutely loving doing, I'm working with a number of you with Unlock Your Power, and we're kind of in this mid part of Unlock Your Power, and it's been absolutely delightful to watch how people have been coming to realizations and really understanding how they can bring empowerment back to themselves without anyone else's help or need to be told how to do that. They're just coming to it on their own. And at the end of the day, that's what Unlock Your Power is about, is people being able to just come to that empowerment all by themselves. So that is going to be continuing on into February, March, April and onwards. And I'm just thrilled to see what else will come out of that. I'm also in conversation with people with a whole lot of new things, and I can't wait to share what the next piece of news is next month. So I hope you have a fabulous February. I know I will be, and I will catch you at the beginning of March.